Should I do CMA US? When should I do CMA US? Are you also having the same questions? If yes, then watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, my name is Nasser Ghazanfar, a certified management accountant and an academic member of the IMA. In this video, I'll be explaining you about when you should do CMA US and who must be doing CMA US. Now, I have given this answer all the time. Any student or a person who is working and is aspiring to work in business management, business consultancy or management accounting, then you must do CMA US. So now let me tell this in detail in this video. Now, if you are a student, you are in your BCom or your BBA, you're doing your graduation, you're thinking of doing CMA US, well, you can get started with CMA US because the minimum requirement for CMA US is either you are pursuing graduation or you are completed your graduation, because after completing your graduation and 2 years of experience, then only you will be getting the certificate. But this video, I am focusing mainly on those people who are working professionals. If you are a working professional, listen this word by word. Now, for working professionals, I have seen this big problem. I receive calls from students like that telling, okay, I have left studies 10 years back, 15 years back, I used to study. Now, can I study? Can I cope up with the CMA US? What should I do? Now, let me give you some clarity up here. Suppose if you are looking into business consultancy, business growth officer or decision-making role in an organization, then CMA US is for you. One of the qualifications which you need to go ahead with. Because as I am a trainer for the past 7 years, I have seen students above my age they are working continuously, having family, different things to manage. I would be best for you as a trainer because I know what are your problems, because I have been dealing with the same students now. I'll make sure that you go one part by one part and complete it at the earliest, because once you complete it, you would be valued more in your organization, or if you are switching an organization, you will be valued with the certification. Now, if you are a working professional, then get started now, because with this CMA, you would get lots and lots of advantage in your career, because I have seen it with my students who have qualified. There are many working professionals, they keep on calling me, as I have said earlier. Their main work would be, I'm doing the same job, I'm stuck up in this job. How do I get out of this job, or how do I improve on in this job? The answer is, get this CMA certification. Now there are many more people, let me clarify it here itself. If suppose you are interested in the stock market and if you want to build a career in your stock market, then CFA is best for you. Not CMA US. CMA US would be basic level over here, not in-depth level. CFA would be best for you. And if suppose you want to practice as a chartered accountant, depends. If you want to practice as a chartered accountant in India, do Indian CA. If you want to practice as a CPA in US, do CPA US. If you want to do practice as a chartered accountant, then do ACCA also. If you want to do it in UK, and across globe, ACCA is also valued. CMA US, if you want to get into business management role, take decisions of business, then get into CMA US. And there are many more qualifications also, but for now, this is the clarity which I want to give it to you. Now, with the recent development of the syllabus in CMA US, like data analytics, blockchain and all, you would be highly valuable in more organizations, because they are looking out for those people who can integrate IT and finance. As you would be qualified as a CMA, you would be having knowledge of systems development, data analytics, you will be valued more. So if you are a working professional, don't delay, get started with your CMA US now. You can reach out to me calling on this number, or you can WhatsApp me directly and I'll help you out with it. Now the question is, if you are a student, what you have to do? Now if you are a student, it's up to you. I would not recommend every student who is doing their graduation to do CMA US, because you would not understand that in depth. But why you would not understand that in depth is because you're not having experience, and that's the reason I would not say for a student. But if suppose you are doing CA, you're doing ACCA, and then you want to get into CMA US, yes, you can get into, because that has a strong base, which gives you strong base, and you can do CMA US. And I also get these questions that is there any exemption available for CMA US? You do any qualification, you are not going to get any exemption in CMA US. There are only 2 subjects to pass, 2 parts to go for your examination, 100 MCQs are there, and 2 essays are there. You complete that, you are done with your examination. The examination window is in Jan, Feb, May, June, October, September, October, and you can give it at the nearest Prometric center. So if you want to get started, reach out to me. Right now, I'll guide you through. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share this video with aspiring CMAs, and you still have any doubt regarding CMA, then reach out to me. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel.